Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by generating a private key and CSR. This is the foundation of trust. First, confirm OpenSSL is installed, then choose 2048-bit RSA for broad compatibility. Run the gemkey command to create a key file, protect it with proper file permissions, and then generate a CSR with your domain and correct subject fields. Once done, inspect the CSR to verify common name matches your FQDN. This prevents certificate mismatches when the CA signs it. Next, submit the CSR to a certificate authority or automate with an Acme client like Certbot. If you use a CA, upload the CSR and select validation method, DNS or HTTP, because proper validation proves domain ownership. After validation, you'll receive the certificate and intermediate chain. Concatenate them in the correct order. Then, place the private key and combined chain in /etc/SSL/ or your distro's preferred path, and update your web server or service configuration to point at the new. Finally, restart the service to load the new certificate. Use systemtool and check the unit status for errors. Verify the installation with OpenSSL client connect your domain, 443 show certs, and visit the site in a browser to confirm no warnings and correct expiry. If you encounter problems, make sure the certificate path and permissions are correct, the full chain is concatenated in correct order, and that SE Linux or AppArmor is not blocking access. One key tip: inspect server logs immediately for precise error messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.